Fuck you filming me for?
I'm not filming you.
Nah, but what happened? Just work. No. No.
Wait, when was the last time you played though?
Fucking 2 weeks, bro. Fucking talk to me right now. Yo, what the fuck is this? Yo, this is not funny, bro. Fucking asshole. This is not fucking funny. This is fucking. Yo, I'm about to fucking break your face with my fucking laptop, bro. I'm playing here. Like, you have no idea, bro. I gave up like a fucking year of my life to just be told no more. No mas? What is this, yo? No mas?
Oh god.
Oh man. Blizzard has just like fucked me over.
Oh man, that's not funny.
Yo, this shit isn't. Fuck. Whose number can I put? What's your house number?
No, I'm not telling you. That shit's for my house phones. I can't. It won't work.
This is bullshit. This is bullshit, yo. Grade A bullshit. Do you know what the fuck? Fuck my life, yo. Why is God punishing me? Is this for me, like, fucking, like, being a dickhead for, like, I didn't mean it. God, I'm sorry, bro.
I'm sorry, bro.
Just tell God I'm sorry.
Nah, it's because you couldn't close.
I'm gonna make a country song.
It's because you
God, I'm
couldn't
sorry.
close.
It's because you're fucking, what, I'm your mother? Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. I was like, damn, Babs, chill.
You won't leave my mom out of it.
I'm trying to get your mom into this. I'm just kidding. I would be nice though. I'm just
Shut up. Now, what are you doing?
I'm trying to fucking think of how the fuck I can save my life right now. Like, this is ridiculous right now, bro. What the fuck? I'm so angry that, like, I'm really about to burst the fucking